morning, teachers. May I please request all the teachers to come to the front? Hello, ma'am. We are from Kellogg's. Thank you for having us at your school. Ma'am, we are going to conduct a 25-minute session on the importance of breakfast and also have some fun games. During this session, I will need your help. In case the children from your section are restless or not listening, please make sure that they keep silent. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, we will also be providing Kellogg's Chocos with milk. So we will need your help so that the children remain seated in the end of the session. Ma'am, please before going, just share today's attendance from your section with our supervisor. Thank you. Hello, children. Hi. How are you all? Good? Yes, I'm from Kellogg's Chocos and you can call me Aunt Chocos. What can you call me? Aunt Chocos. Today we are going to learn the importance of breakfast and we will have fun games. Right? Who all are interested? Just raise your hand. I want no voice. I just want you all to raise your hand. Yes. And we also have a big surprise for you. But, only if you keep silent and if you listen to me. Right? Correct? So come on, children. Tell me how many of you had breakfast today? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes. Good. Why breakfast is important? I will tell you. Breakfast gives you energy. What does breakfast gives you? Energy. Have you seen a car run without petrol? कभी देखा गाड़ी चल रही है पेट्रोल नहीं है? No. Just like a car cannot run without petrol, your body cannot run without breakfast. Your body cannot run without breakfast. So how many of you will have breakfast every day before coming to school? Your Aunt Chocos will be very happy. So promise that you all will have breakfast every day before coming to school? Good. Now I'll tell you the most important what a breakfast should actually have. A good breakfast should have 3 food groups: milk, grain, fruits and dry fruits. What a good breakfast should have? Milk, grains, food, fruits, dry fruits. Very good. Now I'll tell you the most important part of breakfast. Milk. Milk is the most important part of breakfast. So how many of you have milk daily? Very good. So do you like that plain milk, white, sada, or you love that brownie, chocolatey milk? Yeah, chocolatey milk. So I will tell you a secret. What makes milk yummy, chocolatey and lots of fun? Kellogg's Chocos makes milk yummy, chocolatey and lots of fun. What makes Kellogg's Chocos? Tell me, my kids, that how many of you have best friend? Best friend तो सबका होता है. So just raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yes. So do you know who is the best friend of milk? Milk का दोस्त. Kellogg's Chocos. Kellogg's Chocos is the best friend of milk. What do you do when you're with your best friend? Yes. खेलते हो? Yes. Yes, a lot of fun. So like you only, when Kellogg's Chocos and milk are mixed together, a lot of fun happens. पता है कैसे? कैसे होगा? I'll tell you. Okay. Now I'll show you a fun game which you can play at your home whenever you have Kellogg's Chocos and milk. See, we'll take a bowl. We'll pour milk into it. We will add chocos. We'll take a spoon. Mix तो करना पड़ेगा ना. We need to mix it well ना. So what we do? We twist the spoon from right to left. And we will say choco, milky, la. What will we say? Choco, milky, la. And then we'll twist the spoon from left to right. And what will we say? उल्टा. उल्टा चम्मच घुमाया तब उल्टा बोलेंगे. Milky, choco, la. So what happens? Choco, milky, la. Milky, choco, la. So what we'll do? Think this is your spoon. This is your spoon. कमर को पकड़ो दोनों हाथ से. Everybody. कमर को पकड़ो and we'll twist our waist from right to left. और हम लोग कहेंगे choco, milky, la. क्या बोलेंगे? Choco, milky, la. And अब हम लोग वैसे ही उल्टा अब हम लोग जैसे ही इस चम्मच को उल्टा घुमाएंगे लेफ्ट टू राइट, हम लोग बोलेंगे मिल्की चॉकलेट, मिल्की चॉकलेट। सो एक साथ चोको मिल्की ला, मिल्की चॉकलेट। वेरी गुड। सो आप जब भी घर पे रहोगे, जब भी आप केलॉग्स चोकोस और मिल्क खाओगे, व्हाट विल यू से? चोको मिल्की ला, milky chocolate. So children, how many of you promise me that you will have every day your breakfast before coming to school? You want to make your Aunt Choco's happy na? So promise? Yes. And if you have Kellogg's Chocos with milk, your breakfast will be yummy, chocolatey and lots of fun. Come on, let's take a quiz time. Let's see how many of you remember. What a good breakfast should have? Yes, milk, grapes, fruits and dry fruits. Now you came to know how is the white with milk turns chocolatey, right? Turning, twisting the spoon from right to left, choco milky la, and then twisting the spoon from left to right, milky chocolate. Correct? Now I'll tell you about chocos. Chocos is made of grains. Chocos is made of grains. It is made of wheat and it is also very crunchy to it. One bowl of chocos has 1 roti's fiber and protein. एक रोटी जो खाते हो, एक रोटी में आपको जो प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर मिलेगा, वो सेम प्रोटीन एंड फाइबर आपको एक बोल चोकोस खाकर मिलेगा. सो 1 bowl of chocos is equal to protein and fiber of 1 roti. So 1 bowl of chocos is equal to protein and fiber of 1 roti. Very good. Very, very good. 1 bowl of chocos is equal to protein and fiber of 1 roti. Now why is protein and fiber important? Why is protein and fiber important? Protein helps build strong muscles. Come on everybody, show me your muscle. Yay! Strong muscles. And fiber is good for digestion. So protein helps build strong muscles and fiber is good for digestion. So promise me children, how many of you will have breakfast every day before coming to school? Very good. Aunt Chocos, you want to make your Aunt Chocos very happy, right? Very good. And if you have Kellogg's Chocos with milk, your breakfast will be yummy, chocolatey and lots of fun. तो चलो थोड़ा मस्ती करते हैं. आंटी had promised you ना, Aunt Chocos promised that we'll have big मस्ती. So चलो मस्ती करते हैं. Now हम लोग क्या करेंगे? I will tell you मस्ती time is. आप कहोगे Chocos time. मस्ती time is 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 Chocos time. जब ऐसे मैं करूँगी ना, आप लोग भी अपने हाथों को ऐसे ऐसे घुमाएंगे, ठीक है? और जब मैं बोलूँगी मिल्क, आप कहोगे चॉकस, मिल्क चॉकस. So मस्ती टाइम चॉकस टाइम, मस्ती टाइम चॉकस टाइम, मस्ती टाइम चॉकस टाइम. So अब क्या करते हैं? मज़ा तो आ गया. अब हम लोग एक काम करते हैं. जैसे मैंने बोला था ना, सरप्राइज है, करेक्ट? तो अब इसके लिए हम लोग एक कॉम्पिटिशन करेंगे. ये आराम से sit down, sit down, sit down. पहले सुनना पड़ेगा तो तभी कैसे करेंगे कंपटीशन. दिस इज अ ग्रुप ए, दिस इज ग्रुप बी. और जो ग्रुप, द ग्रुप विल से दिस लाउडर विल गेट अ सरप्राइज इन देयर. तो सरप्राइज किसको चाहिए? सबको चाहिए ना. ओके फाइन. सो मस्ती टाइम इज चॉकस टाइम. मस्ती टाइम इज चॉकस टाइम. मस्ती टाइम इज चॉकस टाइम. मिल्क चॉकस, मिल्क Chocos, milk, chocos. कौन जीता? Who was much louder? Group A, Group B. कौन? मैं बताऊं. The whole class was super energetic, so all will get a surprise. Yay! Silence. अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है. There are more surprises. So come on, tell me who prepares breakfast for you? कौन बनाता है सुबह सुबह उठ के आप लोग के लिए नाश्ता? मम्मी. यस. तो मम्मी को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? थैंक यू. तो कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी विथ मी. थैंक यू मम्मी. यस. सिर्फ थैंक यू बोलेंगे. We'll just say plain thank you. As we don't like plain milk, we like chocolatey milk, right? So we'll only say plain. No, we'll give her a special gift, and the special gift is then this is a thank you mom card. What is this? A thank you mom card. See, you all can say this. So what will we do? We won't give this plain, right? But how will mummy come to know that you have given a card to her? What will we do? Yes, you will write your name here with pen or sketch pen. You will write your name here, and then what will you do? You know, you will make this card little special. As if your favorite fruit, you can draw a heart. You can write, I love you, mommy. You love your mommy, right? I love you, mommy. So you can make this card a special and then give it to your mommy. So what we'll do, you'll go to your classroom. You'll write your name here with the sketch pen or a pen, and then you'll keep this in your bag. You'll go home, and then you'll make this card very special by drawing. You know, you can make this card really very special. See you, see the mummy, see you, the sister, the brother. You can even draw a daddy. You can draw granny, you can draw heart, right? And then what we'll do, you will give your mummy the card by saying, Mummy, surprise. And then you will give her a big hug. You will give her a sweet big puppy. And then you will give her a card and say, thank you, mummy. What will you say? Thank you, mummy. Who all will say? Come on, raise your hand and show me. So what will you write? You will write your name. You will make this card special by drawing your any favorite pig. And then you'll give your mummy a card. Very good. Teachers, please, I just request spare 2 minutes so that they can write their names when they go to their classroom. Thank you, teacher. So now is the surprise time. But before I start that, is anyone allergic to milk? Doctor or your parents have told you not to have milk? ऐसा कोई है जिसको दूध पीना मना है, ज़्यादा दूध खावाटा बारो ना चे कि दूध खाबे ना माँ बा डॉक्टर बोले चे. Please raise your hand and please come and stand beside me. Come darling. Yes, आप दूध नहीं पीते हो? अच्छा आ जाओ. और जो लोग पीते हैं उन सब के लिए सरप्राइज. जो नहीं पीते you'll get dry chocos and you'll get chocos with milk. And what will you say before having it? Choco Milky La, Milky Choco La. One more announcement. Please do not throw the bowl and spoon here and there. We also have a dustbin. आप लोग खाने के बाद अपना बोल अपने चम्मच अपने पास रखोगे, फ्रेंड्स को नहीं दोगे, एंड जब हम लोग आपसे कहेंगे तभी आप लोग डस्टबिन में डालोगे. करेक्ट? राइट? पक्का? टीचर प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट दे राइट देयर नेम्स ऑन द कार्ड. एंड बच्चे मैं क्लासरूम में आ रही हूँ चेक करने के लिए. करेक्ट है ना? सो होप यू ऑल एंजॉय. सबको मजा आया? कितना मजा आया? बहुत. राइट? अच्छा, और एक बात मुझे तो बहुत बहुत मजा आया. सो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू प्रॉमिस योर आंट चोकोस दैट यू विल हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट एवरी डे बिफोर कमिंग टू स्कूल? प्रॉमिस चाहिए. प्रॉमिस. ये. एंड इफ यू हैव Kellogg's chocos with milk, your breakfast will be yummy, chocolatey, and lots of fun. I love you children. We had a lot of fun. Bye bye. Good day.